As contractors look for reliable, cost-effective solutions that lead to greater profitability, LATICRETE NXT Level Flow is on everyone's mind. This cement-based self-leveling underlayment has a superior flow rate, making it extremely easy to apply. It can be poured up to 2 inches thick in one application, saving you both time and materials. With a compressive strength of over 4,000 psi, NXT Level Flow exceeds most application requirements. Finished floor goods can be placed just after 48 hours. As always, refer to the product data sheet for specific mixing, application, and other performance attributes. And please remember, you're only as good as the tools you use, so be ready to install any LATICRETE self-leveling underlayment or overlayment with this premium toolkit. Start by adding the required water into the bucket. Open the bag and pour slowly while using a drill with a minimum RPM of 650. An oval-style mixing blade is recommended, and keeping it in the mix is important to prevent the introduction of air. Always stop in the middle of the mix to scrape down any leftover dry product, as this will make a uniform mix. Mix for a full 3 minutes before applying. Primer Plus or Prime and Bond can be used over concrete surfaces. It's important to review TDS 230 for primer recommendations and instructions. Minimum application thickness is 1/8 of an inch to 2 inches. With a working time of 30 to 45 minutes and a superior flow, NXT Level Flow gives you the time for a perfect application. Once on the floor, NXT Level Flow can be applied at the designated thickness using a gauge rake. This makes for a carefree application. Following that, break the surface tension to get an extremely flat surface. This can be done using a smoother or a spiked roller. Allow the smoother blade to glide on the surface. No pressure is needed, and make sure to overlap passes. This will ensure a successful project. NXT Level Flow can be walked on 3 to 4 hours after it's been applied, opening the floor up to other trades quickly. NXT Level Flow, a value-engineered solution. Learn more about our products at LATICRETE.com and by viewing our comprehensive LATICRETE University video tutorials.